아주 벽이 로똥다 그러는 게 아주 당연히 제시해 시행되기 전에 저불이 지리야 가라 강성의 판도 제대하게 땡대 차인도 당아야다 가슴에 맞으네 가다 로게주고요 아래 그래서 그다 기란주 현지들이 나를 이지다 지로자 진행들이 다 믿고들이 진짜 스크도 와서 설명 내버려제 엔사에 후당적으로 어디 아니 내가 땜지기 아니 라다 약수들이
공주 공로 계주 총괄라 자시딜레슈 Your Holiness, I've thought a lot about what you requested for your birthday presents, and I think it's a really good thing that you're our leader, and it just goes to show how spiritual you are and what a great example you set, that you haven't asked for material goods, but you've asked for something deeper and something that means more to me as a Tibetan. So I'd like to do my bit as well for the community, and as such I'd like to pledge my time, my effort and my commitment towards raising the Tibetan issue at any time I can find, and also helping to preserve our heritage by practicing my music for Tibetan and also practicing my language.
Kongsacho, I wish you my heartfelt greetings on your 80th birthday. On my part, I will try my hardest to develop kind-heartedness through being patient, tolerant and understanding of others. I will remind myself every day that through love and compassion we can achieve happiness and overcome suffering. Your Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama, may you live a long and happy life.
Gashidele, Your Holiness, and on this very special occasion, I pledge that I will try to be kind and compassionate to all. I will never forget the spiritual wisdom you have blessed us with, and I will keep following the path of Lord Buddha. Lastly, I pray for your long and healthy life. Per Gyalo.
Kongsa Kunglo Gejo Pebe, Tamdi Desh Delikshu. On the special occasion of your 80th birthday, my gift to you is to work harder at my studies, to continue the struggles of Tibet, and most importantly, to be a better human being. Happy birthday, and may you live 1,000 years.
Kundu Tungala Dashi Delesho. My present to you is that I will be grateful, and I'll follow your examples just as you have. I'll be a grateful, enjoyable person, and I'll follow all your teachings.
As my present for His Holiness's 80th birthday, I want to give compassion and try my best in everything I do. I want to succeed academically in my studies, but mainly I want to succeed spiritually. I want to help those who are close to me by showing them that they are loved. But I want to tell the people that I don't know that they are loved and that I do care for them. And because that's what compassion truly is, helping those who you don't actually know. And I think that's much more valuable than anything that you could give in the world.
Your Holiness, I wish you a very happy 80th birthday. You are the greatest inspiration to me. Thank you for all the kindness you've shown, for all the compassion you've shown, for preserving Tibet's Buddhist culture and for carrying Tibetans with you. For inspiring us and giving us hope, I wish you a very happy 80th birthday.
Your Holiness, I wish you a very, very happy 80th birthday. Thank you for teaching us love, peace and compassion. I'm so proud to be a Tibetan because of you. Happy birthday.
And last of all, I'd like to wish you a very happy 80th birthday.
Happy birthday.